Hi everyone. I got a playful kitty. Yes, I do. And I just have a piece of wheat that was in my craft container from when I was doing. So I thought I'd just bring my beautiful kitty out here today. Ooch. And have a little fun with him and show you it's good to have a cat around to entertain you, right? And I can entertain the cat too. and then it'll be time for him to take a little nap because he naps a lot too. Ouch. You got me that time. Okay. That's about it for today. Woohoo! Say bye-bye. Until next time.